No one's ever survived the night on the Max.
What happened, Stu?
Well, we call them grievers. Of course, no one's ever seen one and lived to tell about it.